So uh, this is the if you have used the Jira server, you can you'd have known about the system dashboard. So this is not an administration tutorial, so we're not going to look into that. So just click on the add-on, manage add-ons, and let's check whether we have our plugin deployed on the devs Jira server. Bingo, we have our tutorial plugin installed here. So it says either you can uninstall or disable right now. So how we are going to identify that whether we have something or not? We know that there is nothing, no code inside our this generated plugin from that command atlas create Jira plugin. So we cannot expect any functionality can be provided by this plugin. So there is just one plugin module, that is the web resource plugin module. So that's the reason uh, that's the reason you can I showed you this thing, that the the modules that we would be using will be shown here inside the tutorial, inside the plugin that we are developing. So this is one module we have inside our plugin right now. So if you look at the other uh, plugins, you can see that there are three modules here, like data provider module, Jira utility, REST server filter. There are various options like quick reload. So this is the new one. So QR. So these are basically the modules defined in your Atlassian plugin.xml, right? So I I think we are good to go now. We understand the basic framework of the plugin. We understand the basic structure of the plugin. We understand how to deploy our plugin on the dev Jira server. So let's go ahead uh, and create a project. Uh, uh, let's go ahead and pick up a project which would be extending some existing functionality in our Jira server, so that we'll have a better understanding of what uh, how actually the plugins are developed for Jira. So let's go ahead and kill this Jira server. Let's create Jira plugin module. So if you run this command, you'll have the option to create the type of plugin which you want to which you actually which you actually want to have your inside your uh, Jira server. Basically, the idea is to which part of the Jira server you want to extend, which functionality do you extend inside your Jira server. Plugin is basically something that is not already inside your Jira server and you want to have that functionality, right? So so Atlassian provide these many modules, and uh, you can go ahead and develop plugins based on these modules. Let's say if you have to develop a workflow plugin, so we have something called workflow plugin, right? Then let's say we have to we want to develop a condition where workflow condition plugin. So we have various options. So let's go ahead and create one of the plugins that so in this project, basically in these tutorials, I'm going to help you with a couple of really important modules that you'd like to we often extend inside the Jira server. So workflow plugin modules are one of those. uh, web resource we already have. We if we are going to define the web item inside, let's say this is the this is this is the top navigator where we have like different web items defined, dashboard, projects, agile. So if we are going to have some uh, plugin where which needs to have web item defined in the this navigator, then we need to import the web item plugin module. So various options we have. So if we are going to deploy a servlet, so, develop a servlet inside our plugin, so we have servlet plugins. If we are going to extend or if we need to have a report which is not there directly inside the Jira, and you are not, you want to have your own plugin developed, and rather than using one from the marketplace, then you can go ahead and use the report plugin, REST plugin module. So various options you have to basically go ahead and develop. So let's go ahead and use the web item plugin module. So I'm going to have 25. So tutorial. So now what this section is actually. So let's go ahead. So you have all these important information inside the Atlassian tutorial. So web item sections, right? So right, web section. So this is something that you have to search. Yeah, location. So so you have different location options available: administrative area location, project configuration location, user accessible location. So right now we are targeting this location, right? So uh, we can go ahead and use this administrative area location. So we'll talk about this thing later. So what this DSP is actually. This is basically called as a web action. Q. So just click no. So let's say no right now. Great. So we have, so if we go back to our code, we can see that one more module added to our code. So whatever the information we provided, it is having all the required information inside the Atlassian plugin .xml. So you would be wondering what this uh, dot name I18. So this is basically for the internationalization of your plugin. So if you go to the resources, there is something called properties file. So you can here you can define about the I18 keys. So let's not worry about that right now. So your screen.